Hi folks, this is only a short video. Check it out right to the very end and you might find it interesting if you want to jumpstart any of your vehicles you own. Let's crack on with it. Well, hello there folks. In this video what I'm actually going to show you is how to connect a quick method of jump starting your motorcycle or even your car or camper van or so on. Now in the picture at the moment I'm just showing you certain things what you're going to need, like battery clamps, how far to cut the wire, and what tools you need to do that. All these tools were actually got on Amazon, but this is not a sponsored video by any means. And you use a hairdryer to shrink the plastic over the connections to make them secure. It's basically a very easy task to do, very cheap, and it's handy, especially for those people who don't know how to properly jump start a vehicle. So by putting this system into play, it is so easy and you don't make sparks and you don't hit the wrong earth or live. Everything seems to run smooth. It really is a good way of connecting up permanent jump leads to your vehicle. So what I want you to do now is just follow on the video and I'll be explaining to you with the motorcycle and the car. Okay folks, we'll crack on and we'll get to it. Right, as you can see there, that is an Anderson lead. I've got an Anderson plug which is directly connected to the car battery at all times. So I can take that socket on and off at any time. Now as you can see, the very long leads are running down to a battery what I've got, which is a spare battery, which can be charged up by the car running or the bike running. Now as you can see on the heavy leads I've got attached to the battery, and also I've got some light leads attached to the battery, and the light leads are going to small Anderson sockets, which one's fitted to the motorcycle and the other one to the battery. Now that is connected all the time to the battery, so them leads just wrap around the battery and you can store it in a nice place. And you can actually fit those on camper vans, on boats, or anything of your choice. All you have to do is take the battery out of the boot or your storage box, whatever you do, just plug the leads in and away you go. It should work straight away. The socket can only go in one way, so therefore you're not going to have sparks and everything. It's a great method folks. Check it out again and tell me what you think. Thanks very much guys.